Hello and welcome back. So this video is going to be about new makeup releases and what I think of them, am I interested or not, and let me know down below what you think. I've wanted to do another one of these videos for a while, but honestly there were just no releases that I felt were even worth mentioning. But finally in the last 2 weeks there has been some good stuff, some that I'm interested in. Okay, first up, I don't even know why I keep talking about Kylie Cosmetics because I have zero interest in the brand, but this Momager collection she released with her mom, Kris Jenner, I mean, I'm not gonna get it for sure. I do think it's cute that she's collaborating with her mom, but I don't know, it's just so, this eyeshadow palette looks boring, not super pigmented, and I know it's such a hyped up brand. I've seen mostly negative reviews from people that have bought the products themselves, except for the lip products. I've seen some really good reviews, but the blushes, the highlighters, the eyeshadows mostly get negative reviews by people who bought them themselves. So I'm just curious. What do you think about Kylie Cosmetics? Okay, next up, Fenty Beauty. This is a brand that I always swatch when I go to Sephora. I always want to get something from Fenty. There's something, it just calls to me. But then whenever I swatch the products and look at them, I never want it. And now she's releasing some new glosses, kilowatt highlighter duos, and I think liquid eyeshadows. They look really pretty. They're fun colors, definitely, but I don't know. It just doesn't appeal to me. I wanted to, and I've swatched her highlighters multiple times in store. Maybe one day I'll get one, but not right now. Okay, Juvia's Place. So I've only saw this sneak peek that it's like called an Afrique collection and it has some liquid lipsticks, but I didn't see the products anywhere. Let me know if you have. But the exciting part is that it says stores. I don't know what stores yet. If you know, please tell me, but if Juvia's Place would be in stores, oh my gosh, I love Juvia's Place. I will pretty much buy any palette they release. So I don't know any details of this collection or what the store is gonna be, but I'm interested just because I love their eyeshadows. Okay, next up, there is a Mickey Mouse collection and it's going to be at Target. It's by L'Oreal. And actually, so there's a red lipstick and a pink lipstick. There's mascara, the eyeshadow palette, that looks boring, some brushes, I don't know. But the lipsticks are actually kind of cute. I really like Mickey Mouse. I liked Mickey Mouse a lot as a kid, so I may actually get one of these lipsticks, even though I do not need any lipsticks, let me tell you. Okay. ColourPop, this. Okay, I feel hypocritical saying this because at the beginning of the year, I said I really want more cool toned eyeshadow palettes. And they're releasing, or maybe already released, I don't even know, this Fame palette, and it is cool toned. But it's so blah and boring. There's not one interesting color in there. Like, and even then, I'm not against neutrals, but I don't know, these just look so blah. Okay, next up. e.l.f. is releasing a rose gold sunset palette. These are those $10 ones that they have similar to the Mad for Matte. And I actually just got the Mad for Matte 2 upcoming haul, but I love it. I didn't get it for the longest time because I've tried other e.l.f. eyeshadows and they were not very good, but this formula in those long thin palettes, really, really nice. So I may actually want to get this one if it's sold at either Ulta or Target, which is where I like to buy e.l.f. Don't like to order from their website because I usually only want 1 or 2 things at a time, and then I feel compelled to order enough to get free shipping. So, but this looks really pretty, although not unique. I don't need these colors, but I was so impressed with that eyeshadow formula. Okay, back to Juvia's Place, the Warrior palette. Now this is a little surprising for them because it is very neutral. Usually they do more colorful palettes, but it looks like a really glam neutral palette. very gold and bronzy, and this one is $21, and it's one of the smaller ones. I had the Magic palette and it was just like bulky packaging, falling apart. I like the smaller ones. So I actually wanted this, but it's already sold out. Whatever. I don't need it though. I have so many palettes, but I don't know. I'm really addicted to Juvia's Place, so if that comes back in stock, which I'm sure it will at some point, I may get it eventually. We'll see. Hooda Beauty. She's been teasing these new Obsessions palettes, the 9-pan ones, for months, and it's this Coral Obsessions and the Gemstone. They're pretty, but they are not speaking to me. I actually, before I saw the colors, I was convinced. I was like, okay, I'm finally gonna try one of these palettes because I don't have any of her makeup at all. I've never tried it. I was like, this is gonna be it. I am buying these. And I don't know, then when I saw the colors, the coral one, okay, I've got a lot of corals. The Gemstones is pretty, there's some purple in there, but I just feel like I already have the colors, so I don't think I'm gonna get either of these. Although everyone says the quality on them is very good. Okay, so I saved the two most exciting things for last, for me, exciting for me. MAC Cosmetics is doing an Aaliyah collection, and I don't like to get too emotional over celebrities. Like, you don't know them, but Aaliyah was one of my favorite artists, and her dying is horrifically sad. She was so talented. I loved her music. You know, she was very popular back like in the late 90s, early 2000s when I was in high school. I loved her music. That really, I'm just really horrible. So I really love her and I loved her music, and I truly, truly feel like if she was still alive, oh my gosh, she would have been so famous by now. I mean, she already was, but I think she's someone, she would not have faded away. You know, some celebrities, they get some hits and whatever. She would not have faded away. She would still be making hit songs. I'm sure her music would be amazing. She'd probably still be in movies, Queen of the Damned. Okay, sorry, I'm just like getting really worked up over this. But anyway, it's an eyeshadow palette, I think 2 lipsticks, I think a lip gloss. I'll most likely buy the nude lipstick. I don't need a nude lipstick, but I really want it. And I know it's kind of silly to sometimes buy something for sentimental reasons, but I really would be getting this for a sentimental reason. But I really want to. Plus I like MAC lipsticks. Okay, next up, very exciting. As you know, if you've seen my videos, I am obsessed, obsessed, obsessed with Anastasia glow kits, and they're coming out with another one. It is the Dream Glow Kit. It is 6 colors, some purples, some kind of gold. And I know people are over the whole like duochrome, unicorn look, crazy colored highlighters, and honestly I don't wear it all the time, but I'm so addicted to the glow kits, I think I'm just gonna get it anyway. And honestly, this one, the colors are a little darker and seems actually probably more suited for medium to darker skin tones, just based on the colors. They haven't shown swatches, but yeah, I'm probably gonna get it. I don't need it. I already have the Moonchild, I have the Aurora, but it's good stuff. So yeah, I'm really curious about that one, and that one is coming out May 22nd. I did see that on Trend Mood One Instagram, and that is where I got all these pictures from, except for the MAC one is from the MAC Cosmetics Instagram. So yeah, most of this stuff, you know, I'm kind of 50-50. There's definitely some things I want, some things for sure that I want, like the MAC Aaliyah lipstick and the Anastasia glow kit. But yeah, let me know what you think.